What if I told you some Pokemon Go players are finding rare and shiny Pokemon every single day without walking around for hours? While many trainers are stuck with the same local spawns, others are exploring some of the best Pokemon Go locations in the world, where rare Pokemon, huge nests, and active lures are available almost all day. In this video, I'll show you the top Pokemon Go locations for 2026, where to find rare and shiny Pokemon, and how to reach these spots on both iPhone and Android. Not all Pokemon Go locations are equal. Some areas have more Pokestops, more gyms, higher spawn rates, more active players. If you're hunting rare or shiny Pokemon, playing in a high-traffic hotspot can significantly increase your chances. Experienced players often target specific coordinates instead of playing randomly, because the difference is huge, sometimes hundreds more Pokemon per hour compared to a normal area. Now let's look at some of the best Pokemon Go locations where trainers often find rare Pokemon, shiny encounters, and active spawns. Location number 1, Zaragoza, Spain. This location is known for high spawn activity and frequently active lures. Location number 2, New York City, USA. One of the busiest Pokemon Go areas, with plenty of trainers and constant Pokemon spawns. Location number 3, Tokyo, Japan. A popular spot with dense spawns and strong community activity. Location number 4, Sydney, Australia. A great location for finding different Pokemon types and active hotspots. Location number 5, Santa Monica Pier, USA. A famous Pokemon Go spot with frequent spawns and lure activity. These locations can give you more chances to encounter rare Pokemon and shiny Pokemon. Now let's see how to teleport to these Pokemon GO locations using Fonelora Location Changer. First, we have teleport mode, where you can simply search for any location, click Move, and your GPS location will instantly change. You can also enable fluctuation mode, which adds small movement variations to make your location appear more natural. If you're moving between distant locations, the cooldown feature helps create more realistic travel timing instead of sudden jumps. Next is multi-spot mode, where you can select multiple points on the map and choose movement speeds like walking, cycling, biking, or driving. Fonelora will then simulate your route between these locations in real time. You can also use features like loop route to continuously repeat your journey and repeat route to restart the route automatically. With realistic mode, your movement speed changes naturally, while track mode keeps your current location centered for easier tracking. Finally, there's joystick mode, which gives you a virtual joystick to control your movement manually. Just drag the joystick in any direction, and your location will move live on the map. You can adjust the speed depending on the type of movement you want to simulate. Fonelora works on both iPhone and Android devices, and you don't need to jailbreak or root your device to use these location-changing features. So that's how you can explore some of the best Pokemon Go locations, find rare spawns, and use Fonelora to change your location easily. Whether you're hunting for shiny Pokemon or looking for new areas to explore, these tips can help improve your Pokemon Go experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pokemon Go tips and guides.